Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric spot welder gun. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Sunco 500A Spot Welding Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Digisix. Model number, 801B801A. Input voltage, 12 volts. Output voltage, 5.0 to 5.8 volts peak. Digital display, color screen display. Peak pulse power, 11.6 kilowatt. Adjustment level, 0 to 99. Output current, 500A 1800A peak value. Charging time, 30-40 minutes. Weight, 3.5 kilograms. Item number 4 is Portable Dual Pulse. Specifications. Brand name, Gevorks. Material, aluminum alloy. Usage, 0.3 mm nickel sheet. Max. Welding thickness, 0.3 mm. Weight, 3500 G. Dimensions, 187 by 150 by 100 mm. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Glitter 801H Spot Welder. Specifications. Brand name, Sunco. Model number, Glitter 801H. Usage, battery spot welding. Rated capacity, 19.8 kVA max. Input voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Peak power, 19.8 kilowatts max. Peak current, 3508 max. Voltage output, 5 to 6 volts. Welding thickness, 0.05 mm to 0.5 mm. Item number 2 is Copper Battery Spot Welding Machine. Specifications. Model number, 811H. Usage, pulse spot welding machine. Rated duty cycle, lithium battery spot welding machine. Rated capacity, 42 kilowatts. Max. Welding thickness, 0.15 to 0.45 millimeters. Voltage output 5.86 volts. Voltage input AC 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Peak welding energy 720 to 840 J. Pulse power 42 kilowatts. Certification, CE. Weight, 9 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Digital Spot Welding Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Maturk. Model number, DO02. Usage, 0.2 mm nickel 0.3 mm nickel plated 0.4 mm stainless steel sheet. Rated capacity, 3000 F. Max. Welding thickness, 0.4 mm. Material, metal plus ABS. Working temperature, 0-75 degrees Celsius. Weight, 2000 G. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.